Have you been feeling hesitant with going to the hairdressers and explaining the hairstyle that you want in German? Is the thought of not being able to express what you need frustrating you? Then you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to be teaching you all of the useful phrases that you need when it comes to describing the hairstyle that you're looking for, and make sure to stick around till the end of this video because I'm also going to show you my trip to the hairdressers and how I handled this daily life situation. If we haven't met yet, hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Speak Fluent German. Mein Name ist Salome and this channel is all about helping you become confident and conversational in German so that you can navigate daily life situations with ease. If you are excited for today's video, please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow and get the message out to more German learners like you. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my weekly videos. Alright, los geht's! Going to the hairdressers and expressing what you want in German doesn't have to feel scary or overwhelming. You can absolutely master these situations by using these key phrases that I'm going to teach you today. First of all, we need to make an appointment. If you want to know how that works, then definitely check out this video right here in which I explain how to make an appointment and have also added a real-life example. Once you have your appointment and you get to the hairdressers, you would then tell them that you have an appointment. The appointment in German is der Termin. Der Termin. Ich habe einen Termin. Ich habe einen Termin. In the next step, they'll seat you on the chair and ask what you'd like to get done. And here are some useful phrases for different kinds of hairstyles. If you want to have your ends cut, you can say, ich hätte gern die Spitzen geschnitten. Die Spitzen are the hair ends. Ich hätte gern die Spitzen geschnitten. If you want to color your hair, you can say, ich möchte mir die Haare färben lassen. Färben means to color. Ich möchte mir die Haare färben lassen. If you would like to get your hair layered, you can say, ich hätte gern die Haare stufig geschnitten. Stufig means layered. Ich hätte gern die Haare stufig geschnitten. If you would simply like a short haircut, you can say, ich hätte gern die Haare kurz geschnitten. Kurz means short. Ich hätte gern die Haare kurz geschnitten. And if you would like to have bangs, you can say, ich hätte gern ein Pony geschnitten. Der Pony are the bangs, and don't get this confused with das Pony, which is the animal, the small horse. Der Pony is the hairstyle. Ich hätte gern ein Pony geschnitten. Okay, let's take a look at how my appointment at the hairdressers went. Los geht's! As you can see, it's been a hot minute since I went to the hairdresser, so today I'm going to take you with me to get a haircut and also show you how to navigate this situation in German. As you can see, I'm at the hairdressers already and I've made my appointment last week, and if you've missed that video, then definitely check it out right here. So when I arrived, I simply said, ich habe einen Termin. Ich habe einen Termin. Meine Haare sind jetzt gewaschen und der Friseur bürstet meine Haare mit einer Bürste. Die Bürste. Ich lasse mir die Spitzen schneiden, denn meine Haare sind sehr lang. Das sind die Spitzen. Der Friseur schneidet meine Spitzen. So if you want to have your ends cut, you can say, ich möchte meine Spitzen schneiden lassen. Das ist der Scheitel. Ich habe einen Scheitel auf der linken Seite. Alright, that's it for today. If you want to learn more from me, definitely check out my free trial lesson that I've linked in the description box below. It's suitable for beginners. We dive into German pronunciation, more tips on daily life conversation, basic sentence structure, and much more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my lessons with practical tips on boosting your German skills.